Hi kids, DJ Disney here. I'm so glad you're with me. Let's play with a new toy. This time we're playing with Dusty. It's a remote-controlled plane. It does not fly on its own. It just works on the ground only. Get off, you pesky Lizzie. You can't see. Hi kids, I'm Dusty. I've made a new pal. Her name's Lizzie. This is the story of how we became friends. It all started with Lizzie being on top of these bushes and me trying to see if I can knock her down out of there. All I wanted to do was have some fun. Lizzie then kept jumping on my back and I couldn't see to fly. This was no good, I thought. Days where I could fly freely. It was getting too hard to be enemies with her, so I made up my mind that we would be friends. It's nicer to be pals than enemies. Well, that's it for us, kids. Thanks for watching. It's been so much fun having you along. Please subscribe to our channel and watch more videos. Bye!